In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe Premiere Pro preferences on Windows and Mac. If Premiere Pro has started acting strangely, maybe panels aren't where you expect, performance feels off, or tools aren't behaving, resetting preferences can quickly bring everything back to a clean, stable state. This process restores Premiere's settings to their factory defaults without touching your project files or media stored on your drive, so it's a safe first step when you need a fresh start. Before we begin, make sure Premiere Pro is completely closed. Don't just minimize it, fully quit the application so it isn't running in the background. Closing it cleanly ensures the reset takes effect the moment we relaunch. Now, here's the simple shortcut method. On Windows, hold down the Alt key. On Mac, hold down the Option key. Keep that key pressed while you launch Premiere Pro. The timing matters. Press and hold the key first, then start the app. This tells Premiere to rebuild its preference files from scratch as it starts up. Keep holding the key until you see the splash screen appear. That's the graphic you see when Premiere first loads. Once the splash screen shows, you can release the key. At this point, Premiere has initiated the reset and will load with default settings. When Premiere opens, you'll notice things look like they did the first time you used it. Workspaces return to their original layout, and many custom settings go back to default values. That includes items like interface preferences, some playback and audio settings, and other choices you may have tweaked over time. Your projects, media, and sequences are not deleted. You can open them as usual. Think of this as giving the application itself a clean slate, not touching your creative work. A quick tip as you continue, take a moment to glance at your workspace and preferences to make sure they match how you like to work. If you rely on a particular layout or specific settings, you can reapply them now that everything is stable. This is also a good time to observe whether the issue you were experiencing has cleared up since you're running on default settings again. And that's all there is to it. Close Premiere Pro, relaunch it while holding Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. Keep holding until the splash screen appears and let Premiere reset its preferences. It's fast, it's clean, and it often resolves a wide range of quirks so you can get back to editing with confidence.